Hey, I'm Fuzzy from CaseModz. You join me here in our workshop where I'm going to build a computer which we're going to use during the videos just to look stuff up and generally be close to computers because, well, we love them, that's the whole point. Right, we've got the motherboard screwed in the case and I've connected the front switches. I'm not going to bother about the LEDs. RAM we're using is, well, this one's a Samsung 512 meg DDR1. It's an Intel Core 2 Duo E4 700, 2.6 GHz I believe. Right, we've got the CD drives in there with the good old IDE. Next up we've got the graphics card. Now this is a top of the range ATI Radeon 7000, 32 massive megabytes graphics RAM in there. That goes in there. I haven't unscrewed this. Right, we've got the floppy drive up here. Just put it in. I don't know why, but we had it to spare, so why not? I've just noticed on the front audio panel you usually have a little block that goes on the motherboard so you can either choose the back or the front to put your audio. But this one has actual 3.5 plugs, so you can either have it on the front or the front. This just, the way they've done this just adds unnecessary cable. I mean, we're not cable tidying this anyway because there's no point. But like this, why is this so long? And why does this power supply cable have metal in it so you can't bend it easily? It's completely done apart from putting Windows on the hard drive. Let's have a look at the front. We have a hopefully working, floppy drive, 2 disk drives. This one burns CDs, this one burns CDs and reads DVDs. There's a hole here for air intake. On the back, where the good stuff's at, we've got our super awesome fast power supply screwed in both corners, not going anywhere. The motherboard, the Asus P5PE VM is here with these stupid awful cables for the front audio going into the audio header. We've got our ATI Radeon 7000 32 megabyte graphics card for your super awesome standard definition graphics needs right here. It's all built, it's on our workshop shelf. Let's see if it actually works. I put the power button and the reset button the wrong way around, but that doesn't matter. CD drives. No idea what it is. The other one doesn't eject.